In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps on how to change the currency of your Shopify store. Whether you're just starting out or already have sales, we got you covered. Let's dive in. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Settings option, which you'll find at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Next, select General from the Settings menu. Scroll down a bit until you find the Store Currency section. If you haven't made any sales yet, you'll be able to change the currency easily by selecting your preferred one from the drop-down menu. After choosing, make sure to click Save to confirm the change. Now, if you've already made some sales, you'll notice that you can't change the store currency directly through the admin. Don't worry. All you need to do is contact Shopify support. They'll help you make the change, and the process is quick, typically only taking a few minutes. If you're using Shopify Markets and want to set up different currencies for different markets, here's how you do it. Head over to Settings and then select Markets. Choose the market you want to adjust, and under Products and Pricing, select the base currency you want to use. Also, ensure that the option to show prices in your customer's local currency is enabled. Finally, you can customize how the currency is displayed on your store. In the Store Default section, you'll see a placeholder called Amount. You can replace this with your preferred format to make sure it looks just right for your audience. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your Shopify store's currency settings to fit your business needs. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to Shopify support. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.